Hello, I'm Rahil. I'm the teacher at BM Mazukra. I'm a social science teacher. My pedagogical topic is resources. What is a resource? Resource is anything that is useful to us, that has utility to us, and that satisfies our need. Example: if we are thirsty, we are feeling thirsty, we take water at that point of time. Water acts as a resource at that point of time. Similarly, if we are hungry, we crave for food, and at that point of time, food acts as a resource for us. Similarly, there are lots of things we use in our life. For example, we use auto rickshaw, we use textbook, we use many things in our day-to-day life. That all that things, food we eat, the whatever we take help of many things. There are various things that we use in our life. That things, they act as a resource for us. Types of resources: there are three main types of resources. Number one is natural resources, number two is man-made resources, and number three is human resources. Natural resources are the resources that we get from the nature. Few examples of natural resources are trees, this piece of land, the air we breathe, water, and so on. Natural resources are further subdivided into two main subcategories. Number one is renewable resource, and number second is non-renewable resource. Renewable, renewable resources are the resources that are renewable and that we use again and again. For example, water. There is water cycle, and when the water cycle gets complete, we get the water and we use the water for various activities. Non-renewable resources are the resources that are not renewable at all. They take longer period of time for renewal, so they are called non-renewable resources. Another type of resources is man-made resources. Man-made resources are the resources that are made by the man. For example, from water we have got hydroelectricity. Similarly, there are many other man-made resources. For example, constructions are there, buildings are there, and there are other things that technology is there. The technology we use in day-to-day life, that is a man-made resources as well. And the third type of resources is human resources. Human resources are the people of the country. For example, they have the ability, they have the skill to create more and more resources from the natural resources and man-made resources. My pedagogical principles were motivation and inclusion at the time of study. Uh, and this was all about the topic resources. And I concluded according to the pedagogy of motivation and inclusion, about inclusion of the topic.